Welcome to INDYCAR in St. Louis, guys. We are at Gateway International Raceway, currently known as Worldwide Technology Raceway, for the Indy 500, which I think is probably 500 kilometers. However, looking good. Got a chance of rain later, so hopefully it holds off. But to all you INDYCAR fans, let's go McLaughlin. Dick, go. Let's go. Came outside to take a little break for a minute, guys. About 110 laps in. No incidents yet in the race. A little bit processional. We got McLaughlin in second and Power in first. And not much passing. Typical St. Louis. They catch up with each other going down the straightaways, and they need that downforce getting in the corners. Just can't get any passes done. But pretty good racing. The weather's holding out. Stick around, guys. It's going to be an interesting run to the end here.
Joseph Newgard, Scott Dixon, and Felix Rosenquist. Closing up on halfway. A couple laps.
How accurate is that?
Halfway.
Well, we got our first yellow. Harvey got into the wall between turn 3 and 4. We're on lap 145. Not a whole lot going on. As I said, it's a little bit processional with poor aerodynamics on this track. These guys just can't get in the corners with, when they're running nose to tail. Making great speed down the straightaways, but they have to back off going into the corners. But typical St. Louis. It's been good racing. It's good we haven't had a whole lot going on. McLaughlin's moved back to fourth. I think Award's moved up. Power's in first. And we'll give you a rundown here in a few minutes. Rosenquist, Dixon, and Sato have been missing up until this point. Now after the yellow flag, things are going to change up a little bit. So we got Power still up front. It looks like number 3 car, Scotty McLaughlin, pitted. It looks like he did pit. As you can see there, he's back in 6th. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens at the end of this. So the usual suspects have also crept their way to the front as we wind this race down. So Dixon and Pato Award have moved into the top 4, top 5. So we're about to go green on lap 155, and things will be happening here, guys. Stick with us. Oh, they just waved it off. I don't know what's going to happen here. Well, it's going to be interesting. It's going to be a factor of the wind or the weather. Okay, guys, we're going to try and restart here. Here we go.
See how they restart this race. The action will happen as they come down the front straightaway. We're back to green. Here we go. Oh, no, he did not.
Give him off the straight there. Come on, get him.
Pato Award to the front. What do you think of that? He hasn't been there all day, but he's there now.
They're finishing this race.
letting it hang out now, guys. Look what's happening in the front. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. New Garden is absolutely just walking them in clean air. As I talked about with St. Louis, air and aerodynamics and everything. Award second. We got Power in third. McLaughlin 2 cars back. And lap traffic in fourth. Absolutely amazing what clean air does at this track. Look at the distance. Second place is coming into view. Power. It's just embarrassing what Joseph Newgarden is doing to this track. Look at this lead. 1 straightaway. Auto award. Willpower. Laughlin's coming. Laughlin is coming. He's got the lap cars out of his way. He's coming through here.
Thank you.
We know shouldn't say we know. We're confident we're going to get another yellow. There's our leader. And then just coming out of turn 4 is second place. But we're confident we're going to get another yellow here. Unless we have a rain delay, it's going to be an interesting race. We've got to have something happen here. Just in a lap, McLaughlin goes from 4th to 2nd. Don't know what's happened to Will Power. He got Power Award, and he's just walking award now. Just walking. What is that about? Don't know if it's aerodynamics or fuel or what's going on, guys, but they are breaking it up now. We're getting some splits in these times. Kind of thought Scott Dixon would get up in this race, but he is not getting there. There's your first place, Joseph Newgarden. There's second place, coming in the frame there, Scotty McLaughlin. Auto award, Will Power. Poor damn Will Power, man, he can't buy a break. He's been running ahead of the field all race. As we wind down here, he's backing up.
Come on, baby. You're on the same straight. Let's go.
There's your second place driver, Scotty McLaughlin. We're winding down here, guys. Pit stop at 208. There's your leaders, technically. McLaughlin ahead of Newgarden. We'll see how this all comes out after the pit stops all come through. We now have a yellow, which is probably due to the weather. And here we go, the mass exodus. Everybody's heading out. So if it does rain, it's probably going to be a big rain, guys. It'll be interesting to see what happens. So I want to know if David Land's here. Does anybody know? David Land, our YouTube buddy. I wish him absolutely the best with his growing channel. He's done a great job of covering this IndyCar stuff. I go to a couple IndyCar races a year, but sharing what I've done, sharing what I'm doing. But that guy's a trooper. I hope he's here. And again, thumbs up to him and his YouTube channel. Well, if it's not over, the fans are saying it's over. Holy crap. Look at the exodus. I guess the good news about everybody leaving is I won't have to fight the battle when I'm ready to leave. So guys, it's actually raining. They are red flagging the race. So there's no way it's going to be over. We're now they're just announcing in the background. You can see the rain there. They're saying there's lightning within 8 miles of the race course, so they're telling everybody to seek shelter. So I'm going to go seek shelter underneath the aluminum stands. It's going to make a big difference. Not. So there's, well, that's not all of it. We'll see if we can't get a post of the current positions in their hole. So we just had pit stops at about 2:09. We're at 2:17, and we got a rain delay. I don't know if they'll continue or not. It'll be interesting to see. We've actually got a glimpse of sunshine and sun coming through here. These guys know. These guys know. Well, you got to know if it gets too wet and the stands are emptying, they will call this race.
So attention race fans, in the event of this inclement weather in the area, please be on alert for additional updates. Race action will currently continue when the track is back in racing condition, and we'll update you with any of those changes in weather conditions that may affect you, but we do encourage you to take shelter at this point because there is, as I mentioned, lightning within 8 miles of the racetrack. So as you're heading down, you're doing the right thing. Please make your way down the grandstands at a
There you go. I don't need to give you an update. Look at that. So we have a rainbow right over the Gateway Raceway. Worldwide Technology Raceway, St. Louis, Missouri. So, with that, maybe it won't be a washout after all. Guys, this is St. Louis fans. They are not leaving. We have sunshine on the horizon. Lots of people hanging out. Very good. Good on St. Louis for hanging in there. So maybe we will see a race continue here. You know, while we got a break here, shout out to Curtis Francois and the crew at Worldwide Technology Raceway. Before he got this sponsorship, he spent a bunch of money on this track, took a big risk, and this place is just packed. Very good to see the crowds, very good to see the support from the sponsors. And he has just done this place up right. Look at the asphalt. Now they had NASCAR here earlier this year, but all the gravel under the stands is fresh, lots of trash cans. We are 215 laps into a 260 lap race, and this place is spotless. People are keeping it nice. It's just impressive. I want to give a shout out. That's just absolutely worth it. I'm from St. Louis. I've seen this track from when it was way back here and running around the drag strip to the oval, and now the oval with the road course. And I've left a lot of skin and blood on this track when I was racing motorcycles in 2014, 2015, specifically up in turn 4, coming out of turn 8, up onto the banking. I wrecked my Ducati running a CCA race. But look, I've spent a lot of time here. It's great to see the commitment he's made to St. Louis. As you can see the rain here, but interestingly enough, the sun is right behind it. So hopefully it doesn't get too wet, saturate the track. But again, hats off to Curtis Francois and his team and making this what it is today. So as you can see from the stands, we are in rain delay here at Gateway. We are at lap 217 of 260, so we have about 43 laps left. And we got a rainbow. So a little luck over the city of St. Louis and Worldwide Technology Raceway. So it's been a good race so far. And we got a lot left to go here. We've had the usual front suspects at the beginning of the race. Doggone willpower, man, led a lot the first 100 laps, 150 laps or so. And he just can't get a break and finish these races strong. So we're going to see what happens. We got McLaughlin, Pato Award, I believe, New Garden, some of the usual suspects up front. So we'll see what happens here. Just want to share with you what was going on. Keep an eye out for our video summarizing the race tonight. The official timing scoring at lap 217 per INDYCAR. So as you can see, McLaughlin, Newgarden, Award, Power, Maluka, Sato, Erickson, Dixon, Rahal, Blue, Herta, Grosjean. It's going to be an interesting last 43 laps, guys. Stick with us. Well, it's about 10 minutes till 9 Central Time, and we are about to go green again. So we got McLaughlin, Newgarden, Pato Award, Will Power, Maluka, Sato, Erickson, Scott Dixon, Graham Rahal, and Alex Blow is the top 10. So we'll update you as things keep going here, guys. Hopefully it'll be a little exciting to the end. As I commented earlier, this track is so hard to pass on. If they're not up beside each other by the time they get to the corner, I think the aerodynamics play such a hard yacker on the second car that gets no downforce and they just can't get around them. So if they're up beside them by the time they get to either turn 1 or 3, I think you'll see some passing. Otherwise, it's going to be rough. 9 o'clock, guys are getting back in the car. So showing 217 on the tower, official timing scoring showing 218 laps completed. Guys are getting back in.
Come on, baby. Come on, McLaughlin, let's go! Come on! Good ball. Go, Scotty! Shit!
Go, McLaughlin, there we go!
Come on, Scotty!
Well, Newgarden got him.
Get back over here. Come on, baby, come on! Out of gas.
A four-time winner now.
Newgarden, Malukas, McLaughlin, Award, Sato, Power, Erickson, Dixon, and Alex Flo. Little processional, guys. We'll do a wrap up on this tomorrow, probably, or while I'm driving home. It's a good race, a little bit of a parade, a procession, but glad to be here. Glad we waited out the weather. Guys, we're on the way out. That was a good race. Congratulations to Malukas sneaking up there. Joseph Newgarden always. And top three with Scotty McLaughlin. If you don't know, I got a little Kiwi background. And my mother and my brother and sister. But, so got to hang true with the Kiwis. So got to come with my son Joey and his girlfriend Caitlin. Had a great time tonight. Thanks for watching the video, guys. And we'll catch you in the next one. Please hit that like, subscribe, and follow button. See you guys.